Follow the steps on how to fill colors randomly and automatically in Illustrator. Let's start by downloading the random swatch fill script. Go to this website. Click here. Then click the download icon. Open the file location. Press Ctrl+C to copy. Go to C and find your Adobe Illustrator script folder. Press Ctrl+V to paste. Next, open Illustrator. Here I have prepared a simple example. Delete the stroke and choose the color freely. Right-click and ungroup the object. Select again and prepare the swatches panel. Hold Ctrl to select multiple colors at once. Then go to File, Script, and select Random Swatches Fill. Select and repeat the same way to try other colors. Finish and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.